Hello, welcome to the new employee orientation training with the Department of Toxic Substances Control Office of Civil Rights. My name is Kenneth Evans, and I am an alternative dispute resolution specialist for the Office of Civil Rights. I will be narrating this presentation for you. If you have any questions at the end of this presentation, please feel free to call or stop by the Office of Civil Rights located on the 12th floor of our headquarters building. Let's begin. According to Government Code 19795A, all equal employment opportunity officers must report directly to the director of the department. At DTSC, the Office of Civil Rights reports to Director Barbara Lee. The benefit of this is that you, the employee, can feel confident that your situation is being taken seriously. Our mission in the Office of Civil Rights is to promote a safe and secure work environment free from discrimination, harassment, inappropriate conduct, and retaliation. The Office of Civil Rights, also known as OCR, offers 5 major programs. The Equal Employment Opportunity Program provides assistance in equal employment opportunity and sexual harassment related issues, as well as investigates policy violations. The Reasonable Accommodation Program provides any appropriate measure that will allow an employee with a disability to perform the essential functions of their job. The Employee Assistance Program, EAP, is a benefit provided by the state of California to promote health and well-being. EAP is designed to help you to address both day-to-day concerns and serious concerns so that you can be your best at work and at home. All state of California departments are mandated by law to have an EAP program. The Alternative Dispute Resolution Program, ADR, is to provide assistance to DTSC employees to quickly resolve workplace issues at the lowest level possible. The Upward Mobility and Career Development Programs provide employees at DTSC an avenue to continue their education and pursue their career goals. I will now discuss the important details of these 5 programs. The Equal Employment Opportunity Program. DTSC prohibits discrimination and/or harassment because of age, ancestry, color, religious creed including religious dress and grooming practices, denial of family and medical care leave, disability, mental and physical, including HIV and AIDS, marital status, medical condition, including cancer and genetic characteristics, genetic information, military and veteran status, national origin, including language use restrictions, race, sex, which includes pregnancy, childbirth, breastfeeding, and medical conditions related to pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding, gender, gender identity, gender expression, sexual orientation, and political affiliation. DTSC prohibits retaliation against a person who makes an allegation of discrimination, files a complaint of discrimination, participates in an investigation, or opposes an unlawful employment practice. If you feel you have experienced discrimination, harassment, or retaliation, you can file a complaint by filling out the DTSC Form 1066. You can also inform your supervisor or contact the Office of Civil Rights. A reasonable accommodation is any modification or adjustment to a job or work environment that will enable a qualified employee with a qualifying disability to perform essential job functions and have the same rights and privileges of employment as those without disabilities. To request a reasonable accommodation, complete the DTSC Form 1169, provide medical documentation, and contact the Office of Civil Rights. The Employee Assistance Program is a benefit provided by the state of California that promotes employee health and well-being. It is easy to use, voluntary, paid for by the state of California, offers a broad range of services provided by highly trained specialists, and it's confidential. EAP can be an important resource you can use throughout your state career. To take advantage of all the benefits offered through EAP, Explore the EAP website or contact the Office of Civil Rights. The Alternative Dispute Resolution Program is a voluntary process used to resolve issues between DTSC staff members when they are experiencing conflict in the workplace. ADR offers a variety of options that include three-way facilitation. The ADR specialist can intervene and serve as a facilitator in a dispute between two employees that are experiencing conflict. Crucial conversations coaching. The ADR specialist can offer crucial conversations coaching in an attempt to allow employees to resolve conflicts on their own. Mediation. This process allows an outside third party to serve as a mediator to assist employees in resolving workplace conflicts. Team building facilitation. The ADR specialist can provide a group setting environment to help conduct team building exercises as well as provide coaching to managers and supervisors. Please note that all of these options are voluntary and are available to help employees resolve issues at the lowest level possible. The Upward Mobility and Career Development programs allow DTSC employees to continue their education and advance in their careers. To be accepted in the program, applicants must be able to demonstrate commitment and responsibility as well as maintain work performance standards. All classifications up to the level of Staff Services Analyst are eligible for the Upward Mobility Program. All other classifications are eligible for the Career Development Program. Upon successful completion of a course or training, participants can receive reimbursement for out-of-pocket expenses including tuition, books, training costs, and/or workshop fees. The following DTSC resources are available on Office of Civil Rights SharePoint site. These resources include the Non-Discrimination Policy, the Equal Employment Opportunity Anti-Retaliation Zero Tolerance Policy, the Disability and Reasonable Accommodation Policy, the Religious Accommodation Policy, the Reproductive Related Accommodation Policy, the Sexual Harassment Prevention Policy, the Bilingual Services Policy, and information on the Employee Assistance Program. The OCR staff is here to support you. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact our office. You may contact the Chief of the Office of Civil Rights, Letiana Patino. You can also contact me, Kenneth Evans, ADR Specialist. Thank you for your time and welcome to the Department of Toxic Substances Control.